Welcome to Fine Art Made Easy, Lesson 4, Part 2. Okay, let's look at the picture. So the colour picture here, we have one blue cube and one orange cube, so complementary colours. But it can be a bit difficult to see the values, so that's why I have a black and white version here. We can see the values more clearly. Okay, let's look at the mixes which we did in Part 1. So from the left hand side to the right hand side, darker to lighter. It's slightly more greyish because we use raw umber this time. And let's look at the foreground. So on the left side, this mixture on the left is for the right hand side, and the mixture in the middle is for the left hand side, and the greyish mixture on the right, that is for the shadows. Okay. And now I'm going to show you how to paint the background and the foreground and the shadows. Okay, let's start with the background. So a little bit of liquid. Go to the darkest dark on the left. On there. Okay. It's quite watery, this raw umber. I don't need too much liquid because it'll be a bit troublesome, so let's just get it to about here. It's fine. It's fine. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yes, again, don't worry about the coverage. I'm going to paint it again, so it's even if it's watery, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's fine. Just keep it simple like that. Actually, actually I might do a little bit more. Actually, a little bit farther. That's fine. Now a little liquid. And this will be a little bit firmer because it's got titanium white. Let's have a look. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I'm going to put that one to about. Ooh. About here, I think that's fine. Okay, that's fine. It's a bit of the lightest area. Okay, so it doesn't really so perfect. Let's just a bit more liquid because there's more titanium white, so it's a bit stiffer. Should be fine. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks fine. As usual, just my a bit like now. Just do a little bit of blend in there, just a little bit. Doesn't have to do anything. It's fine. And then here. Oh, just looking at that, does that look low enough? Oh, I have to do that. I missed that one actually. That's okay. I missed that bit. Interesting. It's fine. Takes nothing to do. Okay, there you go. Nice and easy. And then there, and some of it. Okay, that's fine. Right, now the foreground. So it's slightly different as well. It looks a bit darker here. It's a bit lighter here. So what I'm going to do, this is similar to the lesson 2 of the cube. Actually, it's not. The main point of this lesson is the blue and the orange cube complementary colours. So this is the foreground background, not so vital. Unit. Okay, I'm going to go lighter here. Sorry, so I'm going to go lighter here. So I'm using this one here just to make sure. I went a bit quickly there. I'm just going to merge the two together. Again, it's the first layer, so you can paint it quickly. Just get the paint down. Don't have to be pedantic. Something like, yeah, that looks a bit. A little bit darker there, let's just see. It looks a bit, it's going to be perfect. Right, let's just blend the two together. Okay. Get a little bit lighter up there, actually. The brush, the flat one. Okay, you can use whichever brush you like. A little bit of liquid. Let's get it out. Not bad. Let's get them. Let's not worry about any details. Let's just get it down. Interesting. The shade here is a little bit farther beyond here, but here it doesn't. It's just this cube is like the same as lesson number 2. This is a little bit different. So that makes it a bit more interesting. Okay, let's just, and it cuts right in there. Yep. That's slightly different. Yeah, that's interesting. It's about right. Again, it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. It's not really. But again, this is dark underneath here, so you know what? I might try and get that down now, actually. make it a bit easier for next time. So there's like lesson number 2, there's a nice dark area underneath. Okay, it's a bit more underneath this one. So let's get, I'm going to do burnt umber on this one. I'll do a bit of burnt umber. Let's pop it here, burnt umber. And a bit of ultramarine blue, that should be that. But I want more burnt umber than ultramarine blue. I want it to be a bit, for this one. Actually, there is a bit. It looks very messy, doesn't matter. Okay. This one's brown, this one's more, so more ultramarine blue. This one. Didn't like it make much difference. Again, it looks messy, but it doesn't matter. Alright, that's fine. Should be. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to blend it in now, as always, with my blending brush. We'll do the shadows first. I do. But try and do it quickly. It's fine. It's fine. Make it nice and quick, nothing to worry about. That's fine, that's fine. So let's go through. It's a background, dark to light, and it's not going to look good. It's not going to look good, that's okay. Next one it will be better. Foreground, slightly darker and more of an orangey hue here. And it definitely cools. I don't know if it's lighter, but it's a little bit lighter, but it's a cooler yellow, shall we say. So warmer, cooler. And the shadows, it's pretty good, pretty good. The shadows are definitely more greyish, especially this one. This is slightly different, this is slightly warmer. We'll do that in the next one. So the next. Thank you for watching. Please go to lesson 4, part 3.